Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down in order to find the accounts and backup. Of course, as you can see here, we've got the Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it by using this one. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, here we have to tap on Manage Accounts. We do not have any accounts previously added, so let's start with this operation. Let's tap on Add Account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And wait, be patient. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course you can remove it whenever you want to, it's easy. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage your Google account in the Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.